Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can create a vanishing cord hack. Let's get started. I've just went ahead and tied a few square knots to create a simple pattern so I can give you guys an example of how you can use this cool macrame hack. To make this, we will begin by taking the rope here on the far left and pointing it down into the diagonal so that we can tie double half hitch knots. So I will just create my first double half hitch knot as I normally would. Now normally when you would be tying your diagonal double half hitch knots, you would drop the cord we just used. But to do this vanishing cord hack, we're actually going to hold it in our hand and put it next to our filler cord that we've already been using. Now we just take the next cord and tie a double half hitch knot around both of these two cords. And again, instead of dropping the cord, I'm going to add it to my grouping of filler cords. And repeat. So I'm just doing the same steps. I'm going to repeat on the right side using the same method we just learned. Just like that. So as you can see, instead of having each cord just hang down individually, they are all bundled together here. And I would probably tie these together with a gathering knot, but it honestly just depends on what project you are using this little trick for. You could also connect these with like a berry knot and then cut the ends off, or leave them hanging so you can have a fun tassel. You can use this pattern for all kinds of macrame projects, but it's especially helpful if you are making a macrame clutch and you don't want the fringe that you would normally have with that. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.